Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk about Boston Wheel's brand new model. It's the 405 Conquest. They did an incredible job on this boat. The changes that they've made have just dramatically changed the entire Conquest line, and it's powered by the Quad 300 Mercs. Ton of horsepower for this boat. Gets right up on plane. Good top end as well. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 405. Let's start at the back of the boat. Set up really nicely, especially if you do like to fish. It's set up with a live well in the back. It's a prep station all the way around, storage on both sides. Again, it's powered by the Quad 300 Mercs. Phenomenal horsepower. We got a live well in the center. We also have a live well over here for two different baits. And then the dive, a very large dive door, so it does a lot of things. Easy and safe boarding. Easy to get the fish in the boat versus bringing them over the gunnel and losing it. And the ladder hooks in here, so it's a real safe and easy way with the handle to get in and out of the boat. So the dive door is just a great option. Back over here, you've got a large, very large refrigerated setup in here where you can put food up on the top and tons of drinks below. You can access the whole thing, or when you have it full, you can just open this up and grab it from here. And then you've got this backing here, comes up, and you've got a nice rear-facing seat with a footstep. Back on the starboard side, we've got a fold-down seat, so if you're going for a cruise, you can just sit there and have two very comfortable seats. Fold it up if you're going to be fishing. Nice, it's out of the way. Nice leaning post there. So you've got a grill set up, which is really nice. The Kenyon electric grill is top of the line. Cook the fish that you catch, or and then we got another rear. So you got two rear-facing seats, which is very comfortable for everybody. You've got a really nice prep area. You got kind of like a bar setup and shelving. You got a couple of drink holders in the side right here for when you're preparing your food. And let's hop up into the cockpit area. So the seating here, this will actually reverse. So you've got four people very comfortably having something to eat, little hors d'oeuvres, plenty of cards, whatever. And then this will actually fold down. And then this flips up, and it will be one huge lounger facing the other way. So it's a really unique setup that they did on this. Very just a lot of options that you can do along with the forward seating. And large Raymarine. So if you got a co-captain that really likes to do the electronics as well, very large setup over here. So very nice for your co-captain. And then the helm area, another two large screens. You've got the digital throttle and shift, and then you get the joystick. The joystick will do anything you want. The boat will go sideways. I have complete control of the boat with the joystick. It also has a sky hook where if I pull into a marina like this and I'm looking for, I get a slip assignment, I can hit the sky hook, go out and get all my lines and fenders all hooked up. When I'm done, hit the button, and in I go. Also, it's got the auto heading, so it's a very easy point and shoot autopilot. Down below, very nice setup, beautiful table. You've got the windows are really nice, because that's always a key when you're down below in a boat, is to have so you can see out. So the windows are absolutely beautiful for your scenery. So four people, very comfortable. So for dining, so you can dine four up, you can dine four down below, which is nice. TV, stereo, control pad for running everything on the boat basically. And then you've got a really nice master with we got all the sheets and everything. So it's all fitted stuff with all the pillows, and it's real comfortable. Big master. You do have a walk-in head, and just nicely done. You've got the vessel sink. You got the electric head, and then you've got a stand-up shower. So just very nice for a 40-foot boat. They've just utilized all the space very well. TV in here, locker for your clothes. And as we move into the galley area, you've got another door you can access, so your guests can actually access the head without going in your stateroom, so they can access it through here. Nice little galley setup, single burner stove. And you've got, sorry about that, you've got your microwave and storage. So just a nice setup. The double bed in the back, I'm going to let you slide by there. And so you can have two more adults, very, very comfortable. You get some good headroom in there for the mid cabin. A lot of times the ceiling's low. There's a lot of headroom. It's good size, very comfortable for your guests. In this, so you'll be able to sleep basically 6 adults in here, 2 in the mid cabin, 2 here, and 2 in the forward. So 6 adults comfortably. That's pretty good. So boat's got everything. It rides fantastic. The best part about the boat is how well this boat rides. So if you'd like to see it, come in and give me a call at 603-213-1194.